Welcome back, grade 12. So I will be doing another simultaneous equation with you, similar to my previous lesson. So let's go. In an arithmetic sequence, the fourth term is equal to 20 and the 10th term is equal to 2. Your question is, find the first three terms of the sequence. It's arithmetic, so I'm going to split the page up and I'm going to start with this information. So I'm going to write T4 is equal to 20. Now, because a term is given, I'm going to use the general term of an arithmetic sequence. So I write the general term down. And I replace every n with 4 because the fourth term was given. Now I'm going to simplify that part. This is 3 times d, so this is 3d. And then I replace T4 with the 20. So 20 is equal to a plus 3d. I call this equation 1 because there's nothing else I can do. Then I'm going to go to this part of the information and it says T10 is equal to 2. Now because a term is given, I'm writing down the general term again from my formula page. And I replace every n with 10. Then I simplify this bracket. Put the 1 there. This is 9d. And then T10 is actually equal to 2. So I replace T10 with 2, a plus 9d. And I call this equation number 2. There's nothing else I can do. So now I'm going to solve simultaneously. So I'm going to subtract the two equations. So I'm going to say, let me take equation 1 and minus equation 2. The order doesn't matter. Eh? So I'm going to write equation number 1. And I'm going to say minus equation number 2. So let's minus then. 20 minus 2 is 18. A minus 8 cancels. 3d minus 9d is a negative 6d. Divide both sides by negative 6. I get d to be negative 3. So once you have d, you sub in this d into any one of these two equations. So either equation 1 or you sub it into equation 2. I'm going to sub it into equation 1, but I'm going to write that down. I'm going to sub d equals negative 3. I'm going to sub that into equation 1. And now I'm going to write down equation 1. And wherever there's a d, I'm going to replace it with negative 3 because d is negative 3. So now this is negative 9. I get a to be 20 plus 9, which is 29. So the question said we have to calculate the first three terms. So remember I told you a is the first term. So we have the first term. The first term is 29. The second term is 29 minus 3, which is 26. And the third term is 26 minus 3, which is 23. So to get to each term, I minus 3 the whole time because d is equal to negative 3. And there you have it.